What's up vlog? I just learned how to time block and I'm going to show you how to do it. So time blocking is a system where you carve out time during the day to do specific activities. Let's say you work at home and your day starts at 7 a.m. From 7 to 8 you do your morning routine. You do that every day and it all has the same color that denotes that time. Then you write your blog post from 8 to 11 a.m. that has its own color block. Anything dealing with blog post has a light blue color. Here I write my blog and on Tuesdays I post it. And everything has its own time as well. I write during 8 to 11 a.m. and then on Tuesday from 8 to 10 a.m. I post it. Then in my calendar everything that has this color is dealing with my podcast. Here is where I record and here's where I post my podcast. Here is where I animate on Sundays and Mondays, and everything dealing with this purple blocks is my social media. This is where I post. Then I do my reading, which has a dark green block. A buffer block is where you do your low value activities. Anything like doing your emails, checking your comments, anything that's sort of low value in your day. If you're expecting to be interrupted, this is where it happens. And every day I eat during the same time as well. So I want to show you how to create your own calendar. So let's come here to other calendars. We click this button here, click on create new calendar, and for the purpose of this video, let's call this calendar demo. Click on create. It's going to take us a few seconds. And the calendar has been created. So let's go back. Let's uncheck this button here. And this is the calendar. So let's say you work from home and your day starts at 6 a.m. You wake up every day at 6 a.m. and from 6 to 7 you do your morning routine. So let's call this morning routine. And your morning routine starts from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. This is where you do your stuff like your journaling, your affirmations, visualizations. This is where you do your exercise, your reading, and your journaling. Let's save that. And then let's say after that you do your shower. Let's add that as well. Shower, save. And let's say you do your morning routine. Obviously, morning routine happens every day. So you left click, let's edit this. And let's click on here. Click on daily. Click on save. And now your morning routine happens every day. Shower as well. Let's left click. Click this button here. Click here. Click on daily. Click save. And there you have your mornings done for every day. Then after your shower, let's say you want to plan your day. And then let's click here and say plan your day. This is where you do your scheduling. You write down what needs to happen every day. So let's change the color of this block. Let's make it green. Let's left click again. Let's click here. And every day around the same time, click on daily. Click on save. Every day around the same time, you do your planning for the day. You write down what needs to happen, the tasks you need to accomplish. So let's say you're a blogger and you work from home. And from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. you write your blog post. Let's click here. Let's say write a blog post. Click on save. Let's change this time. Or we leave it like that. Let's click the color. click on light blue. You write your blog post on a Sunday, and let's say you post it on a Wednesday. Let's say post blog post, click on save, and because this is dealing with your work as well, let's say use the same color, and let's say let's change this from 9:30 to, you can change the time here, say 9:30, say 9:30 to 10:30. Let's come down here to 10:30, click on save. Oops, let's click here. This is supposed to be 10:30 a.m. So let's go up. 10:30 a.m. Click on save. So this is where you write your blog post on a Sunday and you post it on a Wednesday. So that's your work done. Let's say you also schedule social media posts. So let's click on 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. This is where you do your social media posts to promote your blog. Let's click on save. Let's right click. Let's pick orange. And let's say you do that Monday to Friday. Let's say you have weekends off. So click here, edit. Let's say every weekday, Monday to Friday. Click on save. So your social media posts happen Monday to Friday. And then let's say you want to do some reading as well every day. Say you read for 1 hour every day. From 2 to 3, let's say you read a book or read some pages. Click on save. Let's change the color. Choose that color. And let's say you read every day. So click on edit. Click on here. Say daily. Let's say you have a goal to read 1 book a week. So you want to read a little bit of pages every day. And let's say you also want to exercise because you have a goal to keep fit. Let's say you exercise every day from 5 to 6. Let's call this workout. Because you have a goal to stay fit, especially it's the new year, new you. Let's say you decide to work out 3 times a week. Click the left button on your mouse, and let's say you want to work out. Click on custom button. Let's choose Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. 3 days a week you choose to work out. Click on done. Click on save. And that's your working out 3 times per week. So you have your morning routine done. You have your work done. You're a blogger, so you write 1 blog post and you post it. You also want to build your social media. You do that every day, Monday to Friday. You read every day, and you also want to work out every day. Let's say you also want to keep close with your family and friends. So let's say from Monday to Friday, you choose to hang out with your friends. Let's say hang out. Click on save. Let's change this color. We'll use light blue, dark blue. Let me just choose this. And let's edit this. Let's say you want to hang out with your friends 3 times per week. So let's say Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturday. You want to socialize with your family and friends. Click on save. So in this calendar, you have your morning routine to start your day strong. You have your work life, which you plan your day. You have your work life with your blog. You have your social media, which is your work as well. Then you have some reading to improve your mind. You have some time to hang out with family and friends, so you strengthen your relationships. And then you strengthen your body with your workouts. So that's a good balance between your work-life balance. So that's the whole aim of doing time blocking. You schedule your blocks of time and you are reactive. You are creating your day. You're proactive. You're not waiting for something to happen and then you react to it. So I got this idea from a book called The 12-Week Year by Brian Moran. Make sure to check it out. It has a lot of great information. And if you found any value in this video, make sure to click that subscribe button. Make sure to like and comment as well. If you need any help, send me a comment and I'll help you out. Cheers.